Hi, I'm Kathleen with Windy Chaos, and I'm a digital planner sticker shop on Etsy. I come from the world of paper planner stickers, where I had a successful Etsy shop for 5 years before needing to make some big changes in my life. And part of that was moving away from paper planning into digital planning. And then I found my favorite digital planning system, which was by Breezy Organization, and I knew I just needed to make my own kits. And in the process, I knew I had to share them with you. So Windy Chaos was born. And this little darling kit is called Meet Me at the Fair. And it's what I'm calling a Wee Whisper kit, which is a small one. It doesn't have all the extras that the large Whirligig kits have, but it is such a great jumping off point for really beautiful spreads that are just come together so quick and easy. So the kit is set up with a Good Notes file, and you can plan with that side by side with your planner uh, page next to it, or using the split screen. It works really, really well. I personally love Zoom Notes, and I also use Zoom Notes with Good Notes for the sticker books, and it works out really, really well for me. Wee Whispers are a two-page kit, and the first page is all the clip art. So let's jump in and have a look. This kit is all about the fair. I live in the county that is the birthplace of 4 H. We love our county fair. It is pretty darn perfect. It's not too big, but there's just so much to see and do. And yes, everyone feels like a kid when they're at the fair. So here we have some darling bunting, the 4 H symbol, and a first place blue ribbon. And here we have the cutest little bunny. Oh my goodness. I love walking among the pens there in the livestock area and just seeing all the different animals. But I also really love walking through all the other displays of the gardening and the canning. And then my daughter in law is an equestrian. And so she introduced us to all of the horse stuff that goes on at the fair that was really new to me. So that was really fascinating. So I have this little horse, and there's another horse on here as well. We've got a cow and a chicken. And who can resist the rides? Even if you don't want to ride the rides, you just have to kind of love the way they light up the whole fair at night, and they just make it a magical place. And each Wee Whisper kit gets its own kite that matches the color palette. And here's even more livestock. Are they not cute with all these darling flowers? So we've got another horse, a pig, a sheep, and a goat. And my favorite display is always the quilts. I love looking at the quilts, and I love looking at the photography. Those are my two must sees whenever we go. And then we have this really darling palette here for this kit, and it is just so pretty, and it's fun and summery all at the same time. So let's take a look at the mock-ups, and you'll see how this all comes together. So here you see I've got it in portrait and I've got it in landscape. Both of these are being shown on a Breezy Organization fully customizable planner page. I just love, love, love this product, and it's my favorite thing to just be able to go crazy because there's nothing else on the page. It's just blank and it's all linked, and it's lovely. So here's the landscape. And I only used two elements of this little kit on here, and I think it is just gorgeous. I drew out those shapes really easy in Zoom Notes to do, and that they are at like 50% opacity so that they're just a little more muted, but again in Zoom Notes that's super easy to do. There you go. And then here it is in the landscape. Again, I drew out the shape in Zoom Notes, and then just used the palette to create the colors blending. And here I've used the cow, the 4-H, and the quilts all together. So it's a little busier, but oh, and the bunting as well. But it's still just loads and loads of fun and just a few elements to make a darling page. And so, as you can see, it's really, really cute. Alrighty, here are just a few housekeeping items that I wanted to share with you. After your purchase is complete on Etsy, you'll have a download um, file that's a PDF. It will contain the link to the kit folder where you'll find the Good Notes file, and you'll also find a folder with all the PNGs. The PNGs files have been named in the for the kit. And while an iPad and GoodNotes are popular choices in digital planning, just know that this kit will work on any number of devices and platforms such as Android tablets and other apps like Notability, Zoto, Penly, what have you. You'll also receive on that same PDF a link to the Windy Chaos Library, and I just provide that as a huge thank you to my customers. You'll find a bunch of different things there, like widgets and fun sayings, planner words in white and gray in different fonts. And I have plans to add a whole bunch more, so please stay tuned. I just uploaded new items for June. They're all cleaning zone related. If you're a fan of the Fly Lady and her cleaning zones, you'll really like these. It's just a really nice little detailed list that you can use on a widget. I hope you find this kit and the others I'm offering a great value. Um, I'm not here to say other businesses are overpriced or underpriced. You know, every designer gets to decide what their price is on Etsy. I just hope that you find that this is a good bargain. You're receiving, oh goodness, I want to say it's close to 20 stickers on that first sheet. And I just think they turned out really, really pretty, and I hope you do too, and that you have a lot of fun designing with them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I have big plans for Windy Chaos, and I hope you'll join me on this journey. We're just at the start, but we're really excited to see this grow and become an awesome community of planners. Thank you again, and I hope that you get to go to the fair this summer, and when you're there that week, that you get to use this darling kit in your planner. Take care.